Here we come to the elevators at the University Central Gateway Garage at University of Houston, Texas. These were newly installed in 2020, and this is the only elevator car in the whole entire garage that works, which is absolutely pathetic. I mean, I'm not even surprised that I've been told millions of times that these are not built to last. But in all seriousness, we're gonna have a great view going up. 6. See a great view into the UH campus. Go to 1. For the second trip, I'm gonna record it in 4K mode so you can get the full effect out the window. I have no idea what brand this is, but this is definitely only like 4 years old. All right, here we go in 4K mode. Here goes the counterweight. All right, let's go back down to 1. I absolutely love the view of the campus. All right, I might go for one more ride, watch the view of the numbers. There's another set on the other side of this garage, located on the other side, but they're all broken. I mean, this is just pathetic for this kind of elevator service. All right, watch out the view, going back down. Get an amazing view of the UH campus. All right, here we're at 1. I'm totally not surprised that these are already broken. I mean, what do you guys think of these modern type elevators in terms of how they're not built to last? And I guess some of you guys are right, but anyways, you can get an amazing view out in a clear blue sky into campus. What do you guys think of this view? Here's a view into the campus of University of Houston. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and that'll be it.